Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ray B10 with Stock Talks. I appreciate you guys tuning into my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful week. I hope everybody's falling forward and not backwards with love, peace, and happiness. Guys, I hope you guys had a fantastic week within the stock market and that you guys are all making money, okay? And I hope it's a whole lot of it. Guys, I want to talk about APXT, guys. I know we all are losing patience with APXT, okay? Although they filed the S4 filing just the other night, and just to see us go at the high $17.89, as you can see here, I have the APXT chart in front of me, and then for it to just slope down, it was just like, whoa, unbelievable. And I'm sure we're all like, what the fuck, excuse my language, is going on with the stock? What is going on with the price? Okay, we thought that the S4 filing was going to drive the stock up, and it did. It drove it up here, pre-market buy though. It opened up $17.89, and then throughout the day it just kind of just sold off here, okay? All the way down to a consolidation point between high 15s and in the low $16 range, okay? But guys, I can't emphasize enough patience, man. I know we are all being impatient right now, but if we are patient, we will see this through, and we all will succeed. So I hope I can relate to you guys and give you guys, you know, some warm and fuzzy in terms of what I have done when I saw APXT price drop from $17.89 back down to the consolidation level. Again, remember, in my last video, if you got it at 13 and if you got it at 14, that's love. If you're in at 15 and 16, that's happy, okay? So guys, I'm in a happy medium kind of buy-in level on two different portfolios, okay? But let me tell you guys what I've done, okay? I took that moment and I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and buy me more shares. So guys, on one portfolio, I'm actually sitting on 645 shares, and on the other portfolio, I'm sitting on 625 shares, okay? So guys, I'm in the happy buy-in level. I'll let you guys do the math. Again, 645 shares plus 625 shares times the happy buy-in cost, okay? That'll give you the estimated cost on what I'm contributing or what I'm investing in into APXT. So guys, I know $17.89 was love. We saw this, man. It was love. Everybody was seeing gains, and I'm sure we all got excited. But you know what? You have to expect the unexpected, okay? Again, we are dealing with a Spac. Like I mentioned before, a Spac merger takes about 3 months, and it's a process, okay? So you need to have patience. If you don't have any patience and you feel like you want to, you know, get money, and you feel like APXT is not giving you that money at the moment, I get it. People sell off, and people pivot and jump into other stocks, okay? Corporate stocks at that, not a Spac, not a merger, just an official corporate like Apple or NNDM, or you know, or maybe even play another Spac that's just kind of in the middle of a rally, and it's a lot, the incline of that Spac is a lot faster or more aggressive than APXT, okay? But guys, again, you have to evaluate the company. So APXT is worthwhile waiting, if you ask me, okay? It's a cloud-based company. They've been around since 2001. They're doing business with Microsoft for about 2 decades already. They have no debt. They're trying to increase their revenue about 2%. You know, guys, I mean, this is a legit company. They're already in business with Microsoft, and they actually are one of the main cloud-based backup solution for Microsoft in terms of Microsoft 365, okay, across 13 data centers. So guys, this is worth waiting, if you ask me. I understand about this slope here, consolidation back down to 15, 16 from almost $18, okay? That worries people. So if you ask me, I'm not worried about it. All right, there's nothing to worry about other than worry about some patience. If you don't have any patience, maybe go to Walmart and go buy yourself some patience, okay? Because I'm telling you, this is going to be a phenomenal run-up. You just have to be patient. A Spac merger is 3 months time frame, okay, guys? So let me just go ahead and fast forward. So obviously we see it go from 1789 yesterday during open market, okay, and then throughout the day just kind of just crashed, or people just sold off. All right. Now as we move into February 5th, all right, February 5th, we opened up at right here about 9:30ish, or 9:30, about 1547, okay, and we see it trying to climb up here throughout the day, right? So midday, I say about almost noon, 11:40, we hit about 1542, okay. I mean, it's not really much of a difference. It's about a 20 cents different, but you know what, I mean, they show it's interest, I guess. I mean, people are buying. I mean, we have low volumes. If you take a look at the volume, it's very low here, but you know, during opening though, looked like there was some volume there in terms of on the downside. But if we actually take a look, we actually almost hit the $16 mark, all right, during right after lunch at 12:50 p.m. almost a $16 mark, and then we kind of move sideways here. We have a little bit more incline here. Yep, it hits 1565 again, and then you kind of see the sell-off throughout the day. All right, we see the sell-off, and at 4 o'clock p.m. we are sitting on or at $15.27, and to be exact, that is correct, $15.27. So guys, I wouldn't worry about it too much, man. I would just take this opportunity to you know, if your cost basis is above the happy mark, you know, maybe you want to increase your shares, then so be it, guys. I mean, otherwise, you know, buy some patience, hold on strong, because really 3 months is not even a long time. I mean, you know, we're getting money while everybody's asleep, right? So everybody still goes to their 9-to-5 jobs and things like that. All we're doing is planting the seed. Okay, I call that woo-wee. So we're planting the seed. You plant the seed, and you wait for that seed to sprout. You know, and all you got to do is sit back and just watch it grow. All right. So, you know, everybody just have some patience and hold on, man. And I understand you guys want to make money every day, and you know, you guys have your reservations and stuff like that. You see it go up, you see it go down. But you know what, guys? This is the nature of the beast, man. This is the nature of investing, okay? I can speak from experience, guys, that I've sold off plenty of stock. Well, I've sold off a few stocks back in November, i.e. Plug, i.e. Neo, i.e. Blink, you know, i.e. some ARK mutual funds, or I mean ETF funds, and I kind of look back now and I'm like, man, I bought them cheap at the time. They weren't doing anything, you know. I didn't have any patience, and I just wanted to make money now, right? So, but I've learned to have patience. I've learned to plant the seed, buy it at the dip. The minute you're green, 300 high, you know, 25% high, 30% high, there's really nothing to worry about at that point other than increasing, you know, your shares, increasing your position if you wanted to. Really nothing to worry about, you know, because you're like 25-30% high already. So give APXT, you know, give them a shot, give them a chance, and let them do their thing, guys. But if you guys continue to keep jumping out and coming back in, you may end up buying in at a different level, and by that time, you know it, you're buying in higher than you originally was positioned in. Okay, so I've done that too. I've jumped in at $14, and I'm like, man, this Spac is taking forever. I jump out, play another play, and then end up jumping back in at like $17 because it's not coming down at that point. So guys, just be aware of that. Stay focused. Have patience, you know, and we will see this through. All right, I want to see you guys at the moon so we can go ahead and celebrate together, man. You know, and secure that bag and bring it back down and secure it some more, okay, guys? And maybe secure it through, you know, some ARK ETFs and let Kathy Woods do her thing with it. You know what I mean? And then, you know, we continue to keep playing these Spac plays, continue to jump into some rallies, secure some proceeds, stuff them in the bag, hand it over to Kathy Woods, let her do her thing, and secure more money for us. We go and tie up that bag, and and just keep eating, man, and just keep securing the bag, guys. That's all I have for you guys, man. It's really just focus and patience. And just wanted to share with you guys real quick the chart. I don't get all technical, just like like the other guys. I just kind of show you guys the trend on the graph, the peak point, wide sloping down, things like that. And also, guys, keep in mind, before I end this video, keep in mind AvePoint been around since 2001. They've been doing business with Microsoft for about 2 decades. They have 13 data centers. They are the main backup cloud solution for Microsoft 365. All across the globe, Asia, North America, and some other countries as well. But again, do your diligence. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your diligence to do the research, guys. Go to avepoint.com and really read their products. They're in business now with Microsoft, so this is going to be huge. And guys, if you don't know what I do for a living, I'm a network engineer for a medical center, and cloud-based solution is really the latest technology, and that's where all of us are going, right? I mean, it just completely saves costs, so AvePoint is doing their thing, man. And actually, I heard they actually plan on growing their revenue by 2% from whatever their last filing was. And another key thing is they don't have any debt, guys. This company's legit. They're thorough. They mean what they say. And all I can say is just be patient, and we'll see this through, guys. That's all I have for you guys, man. I hope you guys have a great night. It's your boy Ray B10. Always keep in mind, health is wealth. Fall forward, not backwards, with love, peace, and happiness. And I hope you guys are ready for next week, because it's like boring, man, on the weekends, right? It's boring. You know what I mean? We're so used to like having the intense live stock market where we're seeing our monies go up and down, up and down. We're seeing some tremendous amount of gains. It's like really fun, man. So guys, man, have a great night. I'll see you guys in my next video. Again, I'm sitting on over about 1,300 shares of APXT, man. So I put all my guts and glory on APXT, man. So I hope I gave you guys a warm and fuzzy, you know what I mean? And also keep in mind, again, the sell-offs are probably just some kind of, it could possibly be, stock manipulation from big investors wanting to get in, okay? So you got to keep that in mind, I mean. And also some short stocks going on. So you have to keep that in mind. So get in where you fit in and stay put, because you're going to end up screwing yourself, all right? I've done that plenty of times. And as I mentioned, Blink and Plug and all those kind of stocks, man, I end up jumping back in, at a very high cost, but I'm still in the green, guys. So stay put while your cost basis is low, guys. It's your boy Ray B10, man. Much love from me to you. Take care. Have a great night.